In Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020, adding layers can give you a whole range of possibilities afterwards. Over here at the bottom right corner, if you select styles, it gives you different effects you can do once you have multiple layers. You can have one sunk in, that you can have them both pop out, and so on and so forth in different perspectives, just to give that unique twist when you're dealing with multiple layers. There are also graphics. These are all downloadable from the internet, and this is kind of that construction paper, cardstock, extra effect, kind of like if you want to do a scrapbook page effect to your photos. You could find something suitable in this large selection, but you do have to download it from the internet. Otherwise, it's neat that how large their selection is. There's also a little menu at the complete bottom right corner here where you can do other colors. You can set the RGB color, which is important if you want to paint. You can have the zoom, favorite effects that you come back to multiple times, your history, what you added. You can see what kind of effects you tried out over time. You can look at all the colors automatically imported into the program, and you can look at actions as well.